Hello guys, and welcome to the last video of this flip class. Let's do more with color and filters. I've already done the color, by the way, guys. When I dropped the date part as a discrete date measure, as a discrete date into the color option of the marks card, we were able to see distinct colors, right? Here, we were able to see distinct colors of each year. Of course, we have less years than the data set in the slides, but it's the same idea, right? However, when you drop in there continuous date value, then what you get is a gradient. Did I say gradual in the previous video? It's a gradient. I got a gradient here, a color card, I would say, option. And also you can see how the lines also take the gradient color. Take it through, look over the slides and read in details, line by line, what I've done there. I have to skip through some of them because we've done it in class, but you need to read all that, and because I am running out also of the time available for the flip class. So I'm going to talk a little bit about filtering on the date part or date value. Over here in the filter dialog box, the first two options are date values, either by relative dates or range of dates if you want to filter over that rule. The date parts, on the other hand, you can filter over a certain units of a date, specifically years, quarters, months, days, you know, based on the level of detail that you've got. So this is when the date value is here continuous. So this is a filter dialog box for the range of dates. This is for continuous, of course. And this is the dialog box for date part as a discrete. So you're probably going to be given some questions around these images and see if you remember that this is for continuous date values and this is for discrete date parts. You cannot bring in any partial years, of course, or the whole year. A knowledge check. Let's check this one, guys. From this image of a filter dialog box, what can you tell about the field being used as a filter? Pause the video and come back to me. So, what do you think? Is it a discrete date part? I think so. The field's lowest level of detail is year. Well, there is no information about the level of detail here in the filter. So no, I cannot necessarily know that. It is a continuous date value. No, if it's a continuous date value, the dialog box will look something like this, and it's about the range of dates or the relative date. Yeah, either this relative date or range of date, or from starting date, which is a range of date, ending date, also range of date, special. This one is for, what was the special? Nulls? Was it nulls? I forgot. When I forget, then I'm going to take a look and see. Yeah, the null dates, the non-null dates, or all, okay. So I didn't forget, but I wasn't sure. Okay. Is it a continuous date value? No, it is not continuous because of the dialog box is different. Is it calculated field? No, it's not a calculated field. We're going to talk about calculated fields in the future. So the correct answer is that it's a discrete date part. Yeah. Now here, I would like you to head over to Moodle. And over here in Moodle, I have this show data across discrete and continuous months file. Please take this file and follow the instructions here. There's a question, a very interesting question and a very interesting activity for you to take on, and just to try it. And this should be your final result, but don't look at it. And after that, after you're done with this, take a look at the final results and submit, of course, the assignment. I'm going to put it on Moodle as well. And this is the knowledge check. Answer the knowledge check, please. Based on what were the total sales for all years in the month of June. So you basically need to just to check the total sales here on the on June. You can select that or hover over it, and it will give you the answer, and select the answer. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, as usual, guys, do not hesitate to contact me. If you've sent me an email and you haven't got an answer from me within 24 hours or more, this means for some reason I am swamped with emails and I missed your email. Maybe I checked your email while on the go and I thought I would answer it, but because I'd like to answer the questions as soon as possible, but for some reason I got distracted with something else and I couldn't, or even on my desk and I got distracted with a Zoom call or with something else. So please, by all means, do not take it personal and contact me again. Forward the email again to me and tell me, hey, I sent you this email. I never got a response back from you. Yeah, don't put it personal, guys, and say you never responded back to me. You can talk to me like this. I'm not very picky, but I'm just trying to let you know that there are little tricks and tips when you talk to people, makes it look as smoother. And I've been patiently waiting for your response, or I've never received a response back from you, looking forward to your response. So this kind of like soft little language that I would like my students to use often in communication, even though this is not a communication class. This is one of the key elements to success in your future job, I hope. All right, lovely people, I'll let you go for now. See you again on enjoy the Golden Week holiday, and I'll see you again after the Golden Week holiday. Goodbye for now.